Hello and welcome back to the channel Hard Reset Info, and today I will show you how to turn off Safe Search on X. So actually when I tried to do that from my mobile application, I didn't manage to do that because I simply didn't see some kind of options, some kind of functions. So if you have that problem as well, I recommend you to do like I do. I open my browser, but don't worry if you do that from your mobile application because the process is absolutely the same. All you have to do is just follow my steps. So tap your profile picture in the top left corner of your screen, then go to Settings and Privacy, then enter a section that says Privacy and Safety and open section Content You See. Now you want to find here section that says Search Settings, tap here, and if you want to turn off Safe Search on X, you want to make sure that you don't have here tick in this checkbox next to the line that says Hide Sensitive Content. So if you turn it off, then basically when you search for something on X, you will see sensitive content. It will not be hidden. So that's basically it. I really hope that you find this video helpful, and if so, please like it and subscribe to our channel for more content just like this.